So running some Cat6 line outside. Now my first idea, believe it or not, was to run it with the dryer vent, which is all the way downstairs, which goes into my basic server room. So I thought maybe I could drop it right next to the pipe all the way straight down, because there is an opening at the bottom. Went up into the attic. It's going to be too difficult. I also thought about running the line in the dryer vent, but what will that do? I'm not necessarily worried about the connection, but I know it will be catching a lot of dust, and every once in a while when I have to clean it out, it's just never going to, I'm going to have to pull the wire. It's going to be a lot of work. So I'm going to use this pre-existing what the other person did. I'm going to cut all that out. There's a hole there that goes into my little server room where I'll have it to the switch. Here's the line. I'm going to snake it down. When I'm finished here, make the connection. So I'm actually running it here. It's going to go across, underneath, everywhere, and it's going to go all the way up top there to an outside switch or extender, whatever you want to call it. And that's what I'll do. There's also another television up there. The extender does have another out, so I will connect it to that TV also, because sometimes Wi-Fi, even though I'm going with the Wi-Fi up there, I still want as many things as I can wire. I'm going to do it. Here's the line here. I got to snake everything under and make sure when I trim these things I don't cut anything, so I got to do it in a really good way. The other thing is this, I hate Wi-Fi. I rather everything just be on a wire as much as possible. Some things I just can't do because I just can't snake them. So it is what it is. And like I said originally, I wanted to mount the Wi-Fi right there to the top of that to kind of like put a full beam over the whole house, which would have been really nice, but what can you do? I got to settle.